老生，歡迎喺 Shrewsbury 行下。
今日我哋做咩啊？
做咩？我哋行雞攞咩啊？咩事？
睇住啊！
攞 takeaway。
攞外賣。而家我哋英國封鎖3.0哦。
咩3點
3.0 Third lockdown.
Is lockdown 0? You said
3.0.
3.0.
Yeah, 3.0.
But the word lockdown is not there.
封鎖。
封鎖 is lockdown, eh?
係啊。
Okay.
咁
by the way, can I just cut you up? 你要偷狗屎？
邊度有狗屎啊？
狗屎
冇啊！
邊個？
冇啦，冇狗屎，冇狗屎。
你唔好睇你嘅電話，係下邊有狗屎。
佢講笑啊，冇狗屎啊！
有好多
狗就有一隻。
屎狗仔，如果有狗仔，一定要狗屎。
OK， 我哋到咗啦。我哋去邊度攞外賣啊？
去邊度？
係啊。
去 Shrewsbury。
Shrewsbury 邊間啊？邊間餐館啊？
叫 Itadaki Sen。
哦。
係啊。
日本餐館嚟㗎。你入去攞啦，咁我喺呢度等你啦。OK， 攞咗外賣啦。
而家返屋企。
係啊，而家返屋企。咁我哋封鎖咧，而家可以出街做運動嘅。咁今日而家算係㗎啦，出街散步。如果唔係，政府都話叫啲人最好就唔好出街。唔係重要事就唔好出街。OK。咁咧，而家攞咗翻嚟屋企啦，用外賣。
食飯。
哎呀！
睇唔到你。
頭髮亂晒啊
！It's okay. Windswept。
俾你睇下個日式 lunch bento 嚟㗎，睇唔睇到
？Good stuff。
好靚啊！係咪賣相好靚？
有咩？
再俾你睇清楚啲先。
叫咩名 each one？
得唔得？清唔清楚啊？希望清楚啦。
希望清。
我哋有onigiri 啦，攞俾你睇。onigiri。有croquette。有豆腐啦，有煎豆腐啦，同埋有啲菠菜。
仲有番茄。伊玲嘅最中意番茄。
番茄仔啊！番茄仔我俾你食啦。
OK。
得啦。
嚇？你唔中意？
俾你食。OK。
Also。miso soup， 中文點講 miso soup？miso
係咪？
咩湯？
米線係咪米線？米線 is not even vermicelli actually。
miso
湯。我唔知。
如果你知道 miso 中文點講，please tell Eileen。
咁咧頭先我哋係咪話？封鎖咧就應該重要嘢先出去啦，好似買餸啊、攞藥啊，咁你會覺得做運動係重唔重要咧
？Yeah。
重要啊。
Health。
OK。咁頭先算係做運動啦，散步啦，我哋同埋攞外賣啦，都算啦，係咪啊？都算係重要嘢啦。
Yeah, while you exercise, you can lower the 外賣。 then it counts. But if he does law in the Noimai, then that's not good enough reason, is what you're saying.
好味。
Okay, we've gone off that. We're on to Home now. We've gone off the COVID reasons now.
同埋咧，
Yeah. Okay,
頭
we've
先
gone
冇
off
講
it. Yeah. Sorry, get it go on.
個日本餐館咧係全部係素啊，
Oh
係
yeah.
食素㗎，
Yeah.
冇肉㗎。
Best. Okay, so soul. That obviously is vegetarian.
Vegan.
What is vegan? 中文點講
That is
vegan?
vegan.
What
They don't-
soul?
Yeah, they don't. It
係
means
咩？
yeah, so no
Okay.
dairy.
So you go to a restaurant. 喺香港 go to a restaurant. How do you know if it's vegan or vegetarian? If it just says
Jai.
yeah,
To me, Jai is vegetarian.
yeah.
So is vegan.
係咩? Is that definite?
That's
put
my
you on-
understanding.
I'm putting you on the stand here. Is that definite?
The croquette's good as well.
We changed subject again.
But my understanding is 如果 if you say 我就係食齋 it means vegetarian. That 我就係食素 it means vegan. But because dairy is not very big in Asia, a lot of people would just expect it to mean almost
By default.
by the same thing
Yeah.
because you don't really get milk and cheese, things like
Yeah.
that, butter. But not especially not in Chinese cuisine. We don't get those things in Chinese cuisine. So, 好味。
Yeah. All right.
So we're very lucky. 我哋喺我哋個城市嗰度有一間日本
Lucky. 幸福.
幸福，有一間日本餐館係專門
幸福.
有口福，
福
哇！
幸福.
Wow, look at that. Level up.
咩
升
level
咧
up? 升咧.
試埋個豆腐先。
我諗啲豆腐鹹少少。
我中意喎，
嚇
我覺得 OK 喎。
Because normally you don't like if it's ham.
我嗰個 OK 喎，
Okay. 唔係太
唔係太鹹，
Okay.
係鹹少少，但係因為豆腐冇味㗎嘛，所以
Okay. True.
西蘭花頭先個 broccoli 西蘭花，好味。仲有蘿蔔啊，
Yeah.
有蘿蔔。pickled
Yeah. 蘿蔔.
蘿蔔。
Pickled carrot.
係啊 ，OK 啦，咁就係咁話，好簡單啊，
咩簡單?
個 lunch 咯，但係好好味。
I'm sure the chef wouldn't say it was 簡單. 咩簡單?
Like not fussy, you know, simple.
Yeah, it's simple to eat.
湯都好味，湯唔係餐館味嘅，係我哋自己嗰啲即食
Instant.
即食湯嚟嘅，但係都好好味。OK 啦，咁祝大家新年快樂啦！
新年快樂.
就嚟都係農曆新年啦，nearly it will be Chinese New Year。
Yeah.
嗰陣時再見啦，OK。
Okay.
而家我哋冇乜嘢做，就係留低喺屋企聽聽話話。
Okay.
OK，遲啲再見。
拜拜。
拜拜。